If you've forgotten your security PIN for Zilch or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Open the Zilch app. Launch the Zilch app on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for the reset process. Step 2. Navigate to the login screen. On the app's main screen, locate and tap on the login option. This will take you to the area where you can enter your credentials. Step 3. Select Forgot PIN. Look for the Forgot PIN link on the login screen. Tap on it to initiate the PIN reset process. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Set a new PIN. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new security PIN. Choose a PIN that is secure yet memorable, then confirm it as instructed. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into a Zilch account using your new security PIN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zilch customer support for further assistance.